And if you didn't know, this niche actually generates millions of views. As you can see on my screen, here is a channel with 200,000 subscribers pulling in 4 million views with just one video, 3 million views, 2 million views, 1 million views. And you might think that this channel is already super big, that's why. But let me show you a smaller channel. As you can see here, with only 80,000 subscribers and just 8 videos, and still they are hitting 200,000 views, 500,000 views, 1 million views easily with their videos. And I could show you countless more examples like this. A few years ago, making this type of documentary was really complicated and expensive. But today, thanks to AI and the free tools I'm going to share with you in today's video, you will be able to create this type of video by yourself. So the first tool we are going to use is ChatGPT. Okay, so we head over ChatGPT and click on try ChatGPT, and then it brings us to this window, and this is where we will give ChatGPT a pretty advanced prompt that basically do all the heavy lifting for us. Okay, so the exact prompt I'll be using in today's video will be in the description. Go to the description, you click on it. Now I'll paste it is right here. Okay, so we won't go in every detail, but basically I'm asking ChatGPT to create all the scenes, you understand, write all the voiceover and organize everything so I can put everything together for my documentary super quickly. Do you understand? So in this example, I just made up a little story, but you can come up with your own story or based on a real story. Do you understand? Then I just click send, and instantly ChatGPT replies with everything, a full breakdown of each scene, the voiceovers as you can see, and even the prompt for generating visuals. So for example, here we have scene 1, description, voiceover, and a prompt. Same thing for the next scene. Perfect. That means we can now start creating our visuals. All right, now to get the same result I showed you earlier at the beginning of this video, we are going to use a GPT. Basically it's a custom configured chat GPT. Okay, the link is in the description. So that takes us right here to this page, and you can do a quick search for it, but honestly if you click on the link in the description you will land here directly. Okay, so what we are going to do is to paste in the prompt we generated earlier. Remember scene 1. So with the prompts I just grab it, right click, copy, then paste it here, and now we click send, and just like that GPT gives us a detailed description in the exact style I want it. Okay, so from there we have everything we need to start generating our images. Okay, so here's what we get. Look, based on the scene 1, ChatGPT gives us multiple prompts to create all the visuals I will need. Okay, then I move on to the scene 2, same process and so on until you covered every single thing. Okay, now to create the visuals I recommend using Leonardo. You already know Leonardo, so just click on launch app and you land on this page right here, click image, and you see this super simple interface. Now I go to my previous page, grab the text ChatGPT generated, copy it and come back, paste it in and hit generate. All right, so here is what it creates. Honestly it looks really good, everything is consistent, nothing feels off. All right, so now all you have to do is to choose the best one, and once you are happy, click here and download the image to your computer. So you repeat this process a few times to generate all your visuals, all the visuals you need, because the next step is simply animating those visuals. All right, and for this part we are going to use Clean AI. You already know Clean AI. So once you are on the site, just click on create at the top right. That brings you to this page. From here go to the video tab and you will land on this interface. Now simply import one of those images we just generated. Once the video is uploaded, scroll down and you can add a prompt if you want to explain to the AI exactly what's happening in the scene. Do you understand? But most of the time you don't need that, so you can just go ahead and click generate, and the result, honestly they are exceptional. Think about it, before tools like this existed, creating animation like this would take weeks and cost fortune. Okay, and you have needed a full studio with animators and lighting designers and everything in between. Okay, but now in just a few minutes you can produce high quality content using tools and AI. It's very simple. Alright, so now that we've got that down, the next step is adding a voiceover to bring everything to life. Okay, for that we are going to use 11 Lab. It's powerful. Okay, we just go straight in, click sign in, and you will see this interface. Here paste in your script. Feel free to test different voices. Okay, it's worth experimenting until you find the one that fits you the best. For this type of project, you want something more narrative, right? So paste in the text we got from ChatGPT earlier. Sometimes you might need to check it or clean it up a little bit, fix a typo or some forces in it, okay? But one is good, click generate speech. Alright, so now it's time to put everything together. We already have our voiceover and the visuals, everything. So whether you have PC, you have Mac, tablet, phone, no excuses. So once it's installed, open it up, and the first thing you do is import all the files we created earlier, okay? So drag them here, then drop them onto the timeline below. From here, it's just about putting visuals on the right order to create a story. Do you understand? And then add the voiceovers we created with 11 Labs and just adjust everything so it stays consistent and makes sense. And here's a bonus tip: why not add some soundtrack or some effect? It always make viewers experience better. Alright, so you can also add music which you can find free, on website like YouTube Audio Library or Pixabay. Finally, once your video looks good and everything is polished, it's time to export. Go to menu, file, export. Make sure it's set to 1080p 30 fps. Click export, and that is it. Your video is ready, and the final step is to post your video on YouTube and being consistent, start getting views and start making money on YouTube. And if you really want to get this to the next level, check this video right here where I made a challenge of hitting 100,000 subscribers from zero on a brand new channel in 30 days, and I made it, and I showed you every single step I took so you also can replicate the same thing. And I see you in my next video. Until then, take care. It was Joshua. Peace.